here's how to fix your Wi-Fi if it keeps disconnecting. Now, if you're on your iPhone and your Wi-Fi just keeps turning off and then turning on, or it connects and then disconnects, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings. And we want to tap on the Wi-Fi option, the second option there. You can see I'm currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. The first thing that I will do is I will manually turn off Wi-Fi and then manually turn it back on. This will search for new networks and reconnect to it. So this is essentially disabling it and enabling it again. Now, the next thing we will do under you can see the Luddites and Neolites, the Wi-Fi network I have, I'm going to tap the little I right to the right of it. Now on here, there are a couple different things you want to choose. Now you can see private Wi-Fi address. You might want to switch this from rotating to off or basically over to fixed. Now, another thing you want to do is if you want to scroll down, you can see configure IP address, make sure that is set to automatic, as well as if you go down to configure DNS, that is set to automatic as well. So everything should just be set to automatic. The next thing we can do is we'll go back here and we'll tap on cellular, the fourth option there. Now, if I scroll down here, you'll be able to see Wi-Fi assistant, and this says automatically use cell data when your Wi-Fi connection is poor. So this will basically disable the Wi-Fi if it's not really working all that well. You might want to toggle this off. Essentially, this will force it to use Wi-Fi as long as you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Now, the next thing we will do is we will go back, we'll tap on general here, and then scroll to the very bottom. Now here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. We're going to tap on that and we're going to hit reset here. And from here, you can see reset network settings, the second option. So tap on that, enter in the passcode for your phone. And it says this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So there might be an issue with the settings on your phone associated with that Wi-Fi. And this will basically bring it all back to factory default. After you go through this process, it will also just restart your phone. The last thing that we will do here in the settings is we're going to go all the way back here. We're going to scroll down until we can find privacy and security. Tap on that. And now location services, tap on that. Now at the very bottom, you want to choose where it says system services. So select system services. And from here, you'll be able to see there's a specific location tracking that will help you with your wireless. So if this is turned off, then you just want to turn it on to allow your phone essentially to know where you are to set all the settings appropriate to connect to that wireless or Wi-Fi network. Now, if you go through this entire process, but it still keeps disconnecting and reconnecting, the issue might be with the router or modem itself. So in my case, I have AT&T, so I could open up, for instance, the Smart Home Manager here, which is basically just the app that I can use to manage that specific router. If you have a different router or different service, you can go in there. I can just tap on my Wi-Fi here and scroll to the very bottom once this loads. And you can see at the very bottom, I can just tap restart Wi-Fi, or you can physically go to the modem and router, just unplug them and plug them back in to restart everything because there could be an issue with that specific modem or router, and it just needs to reboot to fix that Wi-Fi issue. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.